Brasolo, happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, sir.
You are not dressing like we're going to church. Before we know that you wear suit, you put on your tie. What's happening today?
That's true, sir. Today I came up with a different style, on a different level. You know, since I've been going to church, whenever I dress in suit to church, I meet one problem or the other. The devil knows when I'm going to church and he fights me with that fact. But now, with the way I'm dressed, they will never know if I'm going to church or I want to go and thief. My Bible is here. Couple with fire, I came to borrow your car. But they say, Jack, I'm back from church.
It's all right. Well, this is the car key.
Thank you, sir.
Just drive safely.
Right,
okay, I wish you a happy Sunday.
Thank you, sir.
All right, bye.
Looks like this one is going towards my direction, church gate. But I'm late for church now, eh?
I don't want trouble. I say go.
Let me help you. The Bible says be your brother's keeper.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Sunday.
Thank you, sir.
Are we to church gate?
Yes, sir.
Enter now.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
You didn't go to church today?
No, I don't go to church. I'm not a Christian.
Your heaven is few ones. You need to hold God strong and dearly. In fact, you know what, If not that you are in a haste going somewhere, I would have taken you to my church so that you can experience a new life.
No, now for what?
Just give your life to God and you start experiencing supernatural turnaround. So I would like to invite you to my church. And if not this Sunday, next Sunday. You are sleeping?
Wow.
I was very tired. No wahala. When I get to church gate, I will let you know. I'll wake you up, okay? God bless you. Officer.
Well done.
Happy Sunday, sir.
Yeah, same to you.
Well done, sir.
Your papers, please.
They are correct, sir.
They are correct, have you?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Sir, good morning.
Amanda, good morning.
Sir, why is your passenger not responding?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping. Please wake him, sir.
Oga? Oga?
This is a very dangerous time.
Sir, please step down.
Oga? Oga?
Over, sir, let me try. Sir. This man is really good. OC!
Yes?
There's a situation here, sir.
Oga? Why you kill this man? Oh, no. I was on my way to church this Sunday morning. When he stopped me, so I helped him by giving him a lift. We were talking just now. Before you know, he dozed off, and that's all.
If I slap you, keep quiet. You don't go to church this man, now you carry cab, go back like gangster. So, guy, you get mine. No. Kidnap somebody that's collecting ransom, you still kill him.
Oh, Jesus.
Say you struggle for your body like they shout Jesus. Fast, give me your car key.
Yes.
Oga, you don't
My
have
friend,
to
move.
stop that,
Oga, your explanation is not clear. Take this man to the station. Take him. You are a criminal.
Move. Let's go.
Oga, just get him.
Shut up.